American football is one of the most exciting and action-packed sports in the United States. Played on a large rectangular field with white yard lines, the game is all about strength, speed, and strategy. Each team has 11 players on the field, and the goal is to carry or throw the ball into the other team's end zone to score points called touchdowns. The game starts with a kickoff, and from there, teams take turns trying to move the ball forward. They get 4 tries, called downs, to move the ball at least 10 yards. If they succeed, they get another 4 downs to keep going. If not, the ball goes to the other team. The quarterback is the leader on the field. They throw passes, call plays, and make big decisions. Running backs carry the ball, wide receivers catch passes, and the offensive line protects the quarterback. On the other side, the defense tries to stop them with tackles and interceptions. A touchdown gives 6 points, and teams can kick for 1 extra point or try for 2 more. There's also a field goal worth 3 points and safeties worth 2. The game has 4 quarters, and the team with the most points at the end wins. With helmets, huddles, and big plays, American football is a thrilling game full of teamwork, planning, and excitement.